Aircraft characteristics are vital for aviation underwriting as they shape the risk profile and determine insurance and reinsurance arrangements. Key factors include: 1. Type and usage. Commercial airlines, large aircraft e.g., Boeing 777, Airbus A320 used for passenger or cargo transport. High liability due to passenger numbers and flight frequency. Example: an airline with 50 aircraft on international routes requires comprehensive liability and hull coverage, with exposure to aggregated risks like natural disasters. Private jets, smaller, high-value aircraft often used for business travel. Lower passenger risk but higher individual hull value. Example: a Gulfstream G650 $70 million needs tailored hull coverage emphasizing its replacement cost. Helicopters, used for medical evacuations, corporate travel, or offshore operations. Higher risk due to low altitudes and frequent takeoffs/landings. Example: offshore oil rig helicopters need added coverage for harsh environments. Drones, increasingly used in surveillance, logistics, and agriculture. Risks include collisions and regulatory non-compliance. Example: a delivery drone fleet requires liability coverage for potential third-party damages. 2. Age and maintenance. Age: older aircraft carry higher risks due to mechanical wear and outdated technology. Example: a 25-year-old cargo Boeing 747 may incur higher premiums due to system fatigue. Maintenance: routine inspections reduce risk and are required by authorities like FAA/EASA. Example: a well-maintained Airbus A320 might have lower premiums, while an uninsured poorly maintained aircraft may be excluded for mechanical claims. 3. Certification. Regulatory compliance: aircraft must meet safety standards set by FAA, EASA, or ICAO. Example: a non-compliant aircraft involved in an accident could face claim denial. Operator certification: operators must hold valid licenses, e.g., Air Operator Certificate. Example: a charter operator without an AOC may face coverage denial. 4. Value. High-value aircraft, premiums align with the aircraft's insured value. Example: a $200 million Boeing 787 requires significant hull insurance for repairs or replacement. Depreciation: older aircraft have lower hull values but increased maintenance risks. Example: a 15-year-old Cessna may have lower hull premiums but higher liability coverage needs. Special features, luxury interiors or unique configurations demand customized coverage. Example: a government VIP configured Airbus A319 may require specialized policies. Underwriting implications: insurers assess these characteristics to price premiums accurately and determine coverage terms. High-value or complex aircraft often require facultative reinsurance to share risks among multiple reinsurers, ensuring adequate protection for catastrophic or large claims.